I love my home, but I don't want to be here. Oh, I'm sorry. The conditions that we've been forced to live in for the last 3 years is absolutely dire conditions. The mould is growing up the wall, it's growing across my ceiling. When we notified Dublin City Council 3 years ago about the mould in my bedroom, it was a fraction of what it is now. It was 30% to what the bedroom is now, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. I slept in my bedroom in roughly 3 years. I'm sleeping on the sofa because I couldn't live in that condition. Couldn't at all. I used to, when I did sleep in the bedroom, I suffered reoccurring tonsillitis. I probably had it once a month. Got to a point where I said, can't even afford to go to the doctor anymore. We're not asking to be moved into a mansion. All we want to do is to be moved out of the conditions of this flat. For my mother to be moved into a 2-bedroom flat. We pay €1,000 a month for our rent to live in there. For what reason? For what reason? I would love someone from the Dáil, Dublin City Council, I'd love the minister to come out and see what we're forced to live in.